Introducing the Talisman Island 13 Plus Hard Roof, where robust construction meets refined comfort for serious off-grid travel. Built on an Australian engineered approved chassis and galvanised steel drawbar, this compact powerhouse includes an Alco off-road hitch and factory-fitted breakaway system for enhanced towing safety. Series 4 recovery suspension, galvanised swing arms and a bolt-on stub axle provide reliable off-road performance over tough terrain. A fixed hard roof adds rigidity, insulation and weather resistance. Set up in seconds with a powered rollout awning and electric steps with manual override for peace of mind. The swing-around kitchen features a 4-burner AGA certified gas stove, hot and cold plumb water and fold-out stainless benches. A separate pantry slide holds a 95-litre TrackMate fridge with fold-out bench space for prep and storage drawers. Lockable compartments provide storage for gear and essentials. Twin 4-kilogram gas bottles and jerry can holders support extended touring. Rooftop solar, lithium batteries and a DC-DC MPPT solar regulator support extended off-grid stays. Inside the Talisman Island 13 Plus Hard Roof, comfort and function meet in a thoughtfully laid-out space. Sleep comfortably on a full-size latex pillow top mattress and island bed base surrounded by overhead cupboards and hanging wardrobes. Dual 240-volt and 12-volt outlets, bedside drawers and hanging robes offer easy access for device charging or CPAP use. A compact and versatile lounge with removable table suits comfortable dining or remote work. The full ensuite features a flush cassette toilet, rain shower and vanity with mirror and storage. Large screened windows allow cross-breeze airflow. LED strip lighting and reading lamps create ambient warmth. Generous drawers and cupboard space maximise internal utility. Reverse cycle air conditioning and 12-volt Sirocco-style fans provide year-round climate control. Explore without limits. Discover the Talisman Island 13 Plus Hard Roof, where tomorrow starts today.